Agent Indigo from St. Albert Public Library, and this is Spy School. Spies can also be scientists, so today we're going to use science to make a DIY lava lamp to decorate your spy lab. For this experiment, you will need water, a bottle, glass, or vase, it has to be see-through, some saltster tablets, food coloring, and any kind of light neutral oil. So, step 1, you're going to pour about 1/3 of the volume you want with water. Next, you're going to do 2/3 oil. Make sure to tilt your glass and pour down the side to avoid making bubbles. Next, you're going to choose your color. Place a few drops of your food coloring in your liquid. Don't worry if it doesn't dissolve. Break your saltster tablet, dropping each piece in one at a time to make sure you don't do too much. So, how does your DIY lava lamp work? As we know, water is heavier than oil, so it sits at the bottom, separating the two. Saltster tablets, when they dissolve, release a gas, carbon dioxide. The gas wants to get to the surface, so it rises through the oil, bringing some of the water with it, creating a bubble. And then when it pops at the surface, the water falls back down below the oil, creating the lava lamp effect. Thanks for joining us in Spy School. Agent Indigo, over and out.